Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to get a bigger stash box in Fallout 76. The default stash box capacity is 1,200 pounds, which can quickly fill up with all the valuable loot you find in Appalachia. This limit often feels restrictive, especially for those who love to collect everything. Fortunately, there are effective ways to manage and expand your storage. The most significant increase comes from a specific membership, offering substantial benefits for your inventory management. A Fallout First membership is the ultimate solution for expanding your storage. It provides the invaluable scrap box, offering truly unlimited storage for all your crafting junk components. Imagine never worrying about your steel or wood again. Additionally, you gain access to the Survival Tent, a deployable camp that includes a regular stash box and, crucially, a scrap box, allowing you to offload items almost anywhere in the wasteland. This feature alone makes inventory management much easier. If a Fallout First membership isn't for you, don't worry. There are still excellent strategies to manage your stash weight. Always scrap all junk into its base components before placing it in your stash, as components often weigh less. Be mindful of your aid items. Carrying hundreds of stimpaks or chems adds up quickly, so sell or drop what you don't immediately need. Regularly check your weapons and armor, selling or scripping any pieces you aren't actively using or planning to trade. To further optimize your inventory, consider using weight reduction perk cards. Perks like Bandolier for ballistic ammo, Bear Arms for heavy guns, or Through Hiker for food and drink can significantly lighten your load. Crafting bulk items at a workbench can sometimes reduce the weight of certain junk components, though not all. Finally, don't forget to regularly sell your excess items to vendors or trade with other players. This helps clear space and earns you valuable caps for your adventures.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.